globalization, international experiences have come in, international comparisons have come in, and the international agencies have also set standards for the countries, and measurement has come in at the school stage. Not only at the school stage, but even at the preschool stage it's coming. With that, what happens is you need tangible indicators to be able to measure and be able to know if we are making progress as required.
As per those parameters.
The parameters. So once that happens, it's very difficult to measure. For example, typically in the younger child, we talk more about holistic development.
Right.
We talk about the different domains of the development in the child. But to be able to make a very accurate assessment of them in sort of, quantitative terms and be able to make international comparisons, culturally there's so much of variation and, specificity. So what happens is you fall back upon the literacy and numeracy.
Right, because that's the easiest and tangible thing that you can measure.
Yeah. And also because our vocabulary is also like that. We are talking about child going to school. If you ask any parent, the parent will say now the child is ready to go to school. So the school is associated with academic learning, and academic learning is reduced to, unfortunately, the alphabet or numbers. In the education sphere, it has its fallout in the sense that you have this schoolification of preschools and so on, which needs to be really guarded against.